Okay folks, today we are going to show you how to put on rubber tracks on an excavator. We've got a damaged track right there, already started to spin on the sprocket, so I don't like replacing just one. So we'll do both, and then we'll keep this better one as a spare. What's up, Core? Core will be our physical labor guy. Craig is the expert technician. First thing we're going to do is reach inside here. You're going to loosen, oh, you already got it. Loosen that up. So if you got it, then you're going to put the bucket down and you're going to raise this side up. And then I'm going to push this front end sprocket in, and all the grease will squirt out of it. Right.
That's right, I think.
Yeah, of course it's right, Craig. That's how I put it.
That's a good accident, Dan.
No accident, dude. Mike is now cleaning that area for the first time since we purchased it. So now we're going to put the front side on, stretch the back, so as you begin to track, we can track it on. Craig is putting that back in now. And then Sammy will hook up to it and pump grease in it. And the grease will expand this and push this out tight. Look at how happy Sam looks. Okay, so that is the fitting right here for our grease gun, and it goes right onto that fitting, and then as Sammy fills it, you'll see that bottom track begin to lift. There it goes. Probably take, what, 2 tubes, you think? And you always want to fill it and to tighten it while it's in the air, not while it's down on the ground. Then we're going to change it.
I didn't know he didn't start. already this year.
Craig. All right, hold on for a second. Just want to spin the track a little bit just in case there's any dirt in between the sprocket or in this area, just to get it all out and make sure that it's riding smooth.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead, now tighten it. It's a brand new track. It's gonna stretch immediately, so I put it on nice and tight at first. All right, that's good. All right, well now we'll do the other side. All right, so there's that fitting right there. Craig will take that out.
Watch. See it? See it?
All that grease comes right out. So I'll just help that front a little bit, push it in more, and do the same thing.
Less than you thought, right?
Said we need the muscles.
Must be like 3 inches. Just make sure that stays on.
Does a professional cleaning job on that.
Yeah, man. Only the best.
Tighten it up, and then Jammer puts the grease on it. It's kind of easy. I don't know why people struggle with that.